Hi everyone, my name is Anne and welcome to this Getting Started with Vulcan 7. This is a quick overview of all the great features within the Vulcan 7 product. Our goal is to help you take advantage of Vulcan 7 features that can help you increase productivity, manage your pipeline, as well as sell more effectively. Today we're going to be going over the Rapid Dialer, the contact management system, as well as off-market and FSBO data. And if we have time, we're going to go over many other features as well. So congratulations on picking Vulcan 7. It really is the best place to manage superior leads as well as the best rapid dialer in the industry. And like I mentioned, we have tons of features in the product that we won't have time to go over today, but within our product, we have a Learn and Support Center that can provide you with a number of training videos. Hey, let's get started. After you log into Vulcan 7, this provides you with our home page. Across the top are the tabs to the various pages. Our home page, our contacts page, our dialer page, appointments page, my team page, marketing tools, storyteller, and learn and support. We're going to take a little bit of time and go over each one. The first thing on our home page is where you can access all of the great training we have available to you. You can sign up for different classes as well as attend this mastery session, which is an interview each week with mega agents that provide you with great best practices on expired and FSBO listings. You could also watch previously recorded roadmap sessions here. And here's information about Storyteller, one of our newest features within the product, the ability to create warm leads using videos. Over to the right is a snapshot of your account, appointments, contacts, as well as updates made to the account. Next, when we click on the Contacts tab, this takes you into the contact management system. Over to the left is a quick view of new contacts, warm leads, as well as your visual pipeline. To add a new contact, you click on the Add Contact button. We always recommend adding yourself as a new contact to get started. From here, as we drill into a contact, this gives you the contact information. It's the name of the contact, the details about that contact, and all the great information we push to you, phone numbers, emails, etc. Activity tab provides any activities, as well as tasks and events, email campaigns, and guess what? You have the ability to upload documents to this contact as well. There's information about the property, as well as you can provide rankings and tags. And plus, there's a number of custom fields. You also can set up a VLine status on each of your contacts. And for example, as you book appointments, put under contract, and close contract, this is a great way to track these contacts. And then from your visual pipeline, you can view these contacts and their different statuses. This is really a great resource. From within the Contacts tab, you have all of your folders, which is all of your data that we push to you. Let's talk a little bit about that great data. You'll get your leads every morning around 7:30 a.m. And this is a great time to start looking at your leads and getting ready to start to dial them at 8 o'clock. From within your contacts folder, we push your data into your off-market folder as well as your FSBO folder. We also can break it down into subfolders for you and break out any contacts where you might not have an email. This is a great way to organize your data. And folders are a great way to organize data as well if you have multiple people in your office. This allows you to create folders for everyone and keep your leads very organized. So how do you find these various leads and organize them? One great thing is our search feature. At the top here, we have the ability to do a search. You can search by name, by other criteria here, and do a simple search. But if you need to do more of an advanced search, click on our advanced search feature. You can search by personal information, location information, property search by price of property or number of bedrooms. You can search by tags you've created, as well as information from your dial sessions. You also can search, as we talked about earlier, based on your different status you've set up. So if you want to search by appointments booked or those are under contract. You can also search by folders. So if you filter out folders and exclude people, you can also do advanced searches that way. And it's real easy to save a search. You just type in the name of the search and hit search, and it will create that saved search for you to use time and time again in our saved search area. So again, great search capabilities as well as great abilities to manage your leads in folders. Next, let's talk about our dialer. In our dialer, you have the ability to set up a number of settings. You can create a voicemail library where you can set up multiple voicemails, maybe one for the morning, one for the afternoon, maybe one for FSBOs or expired. You can also set up your caller ID so that the caller can see a specific number to call you back on. You can record your calls and store them in Vulcan 7. You can also create phone scripts and have those available to you when you dial on the dialer. Next, let's look at using that dialer. Within your Vulcan 7 account, all you need to do is select the people you want to dial and then click the Begin Dial Session button. This will bring up the dial session settings, and from here you can pick what phone scripts you want to use, what voicemail you want to use, and other information, and then click Continue to start your call. It will start dialing that person and bring you into that contact. It will provide you great information about that contact, name, address, property information, custom fields, email campaigns, etc., and all the information about that customer. Then, once they answer the phone, you can click on the live answer session, or if you hit a voicemail, you can click on the leave voicemail, and it'll immediately leave a voicemail, and you can move on to the next contact. You also have other dispositions you can leave as well. When you click on the live answer option, it will bring you into the call, and you have the ability here to talk to the person. You can also transfer the call to another agent within your office. From the Dial Session tab, this keeps track of all of your dial sessions, monthly, recently, lifetime, and allows you to do different reports based on these sessions, or come back in and finish a session as well. Appointments is where you can come in and set up an appointment. And if you have any calls scheduled for the day, then you can quickly go over and dial them from here. My Team is where you can set up multiple dialers within your account. You have an additional dialer you might as well take advantage of. Come in here and set that up. Marketing Tools is where you'll find email campaigns, emails and scripts, as well as our broadcast tool. It also is where you'll find our lead capture feature. Lead capture allows you to create a keyword and set this up so that you can set up your listings for people to text a number to your code, and they can get information about your listing. I'm sure you've seen this. It's a great feature. And it's built right into Vulcan 7. Next, let's look at our Storyteller feature. Storyteller is one of our greatest new features, which allows you to create warm leads using video. We provide a number of campaigns built into your Vulcan 7 account to help you around expired and FSBOs. From here, you can come in and create an email and personalize it with video and send it out. It's really a great way to generate leads. And then under our Learn and Support tab, you can come here to get started. This will take you through some very quick steps to get started. Recording a voicemail, adding a contact, doing a quick dial session, or importing contacts. It's a great place to get started. And then we also have a Learn More area for videos. If you need an answer to a question, come here. If you need help and support, come here. We also provide a number of scripts available from our Scripts tab. If you want to view the last recordings of our mastery sessions, come here. Returning to our homepage, this is such a great product with so many great features. Hey, jump in and start using it. It's a really great tool. At Vulcan 7, our focus is quality and innovation. So don't wait, start dialing today. And thanks for watching.